Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and doing a study also. I am Mrs. Ritu Soni, your computer teacher. Now, I am going to teach you computer. Children, in previous class, you have already learned about MS Word. Now, we are going to learn some basic features of MS Word and how to do the editing in MS Word. Are you ready for learn? Okay. Now, let's start how to use MS Word. See children, you all are know about the basic terms of computer. You can see this one screen. This is called desktop. In previous class you have learned about the desktop. These all the pictures are called icons, and this one which is moving on the screen, this is called mouse pointer. Now let's learn how to open MS Word. To open MS Word, place the cursor on the start button. You can see this one. This is start button. Just click on that. Then click all programs. You can see here all programs. Click on all programs. Then select accessories. See, this one is accessories. Click on that. Then from here you have to select. See children, there is one option, Microsoft Office. When you click on it, there is a different software of Microsoft Office. From here you have to select Microsoft Office Word. Just click on that. Microsoft Word window will be open. Now see children, this is a Microsoft Word window. Now let's learn about parts of MS Word window. This is a MS Word window. Now let's learn different parts of MS Word window. You can see here, this is quick access toolbar. What is this? This is quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar contains buttons, commands that are frequently used. Okay. See, next one is title bar. Title, title bar. The title bar displays the name of the active document. It is located at the top of the word window. See, टाइटल बार में क्या डिस्प्ले होता है? करंट डॉक्यूमेंट का नेम. जो भी आपके डॉक्यूमेंट का नेम है वो टाइटल बार में शो होगा. नेक्स्ट, टू द राइट ऑफ द टाइटल बार देयर आर 3 buttons. You can see these 3 buttons. These are called window controls button. See, this one button, this is close button. What its name? This is close button. If you want to close the window, so you can press this one button, window will be closed. Next is minimize button. You can see this one small line. This is called minimize button. If you want to minimize your MS Word window, अगर आप विंडो को थोड़ी देर के लिए मिनिमाइज करना चाहते हैं तो मिनिमाइज बटन का यूज करते हैं. दिस वन इज मैक्सिमाइज बटन. इफ यू वांट टू मैक्सिमाइज मतलब विंडो का साइज अगर बड़ा करना होता है तब हम मैक्सिमाइज बटन का यूज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज रिबन. द रिबन कंटेन्स कमांड्स दैट आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनटू वेरियस टैब्स. टैब्स are further divided into groups. Each group contains related commands. Next one is help button. if we want any help, so we can press the help button. Okay, now next one is ruler. You can see here two rulers are there. This one is in white color. You can see this one is horizontal ruler and this one is vertical ruler. Okay, there are two rulers, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal ruler, see, the horizontal ruler is located at the top of the window, which is used to set the left margin, right margin and indentation. हॉरिजॉन्टल रूलर का यूज लेफ्ट मार्जिन को सेट करने के लिए, हॉरिजॉन्टल रूलर का यूज लेफ्ट और राइट मार्जिन को सेट करने के लिए किया जाता है. यू कैन सी दिस वन. जब भी हम टाइपिंग करेंगे तो टेक्स्ट यहाँ से टाइप होना स्टार्ट होगा. इट मीन्स वी सेट द रूलर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. द वर्टिकल रूलर, सी दिस वन इज वर्टिकल रूलर. The vertical ruler is located at the left side of the window. You can see it's located in left side and is used to set the top and bottom margin. Vertical ruler का क्या यूज होता है? टॉप मार्जिन और बॉटम मार्जिन को सेट करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज scroll bar. You can see here children, this is scroll bar. This is vertical scroll bar. There are two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar is used to move a page left or right. पेज को लेफ्ट और राइट मूव करने के लिए horizontal scroll bar का यूज करते हैं. The vertical scroll bar, you can see here, the vertical scroll bar is located at the right of the document window and is used to move a document up and down. Vertical scroll bar is used to move a document up and down. Okay. Now, next one is cursor. You can see here this one standing line, small one. It's blinking all the time. This is called cursor. Where cursor is placed from that place only typing will be start. कर्सर जहाँ पे प्लेस होगा डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया में, जो भी हम टाइप करते हैं वो वहीं से टाइप होना स्टार्ट होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड टेक्स्ट एरिया और डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया. वॉट एवर वर्क वी आर डूइंग इन MS Word, it will show on text area or document area. So children, this is a parts of MS Word window. Now we will learn how to type the text and how to edit the text in MS Word. Okay, this is MS Word window. Now we will learn how to insert a text in MS Word window. When you open Microsoft Word, a blank document appears where you can insert text. For example, you can see this one blinking line. From here we can start typing. For example, we type, let us start typing. It is very easy. You will enjoy. This is a way to insert a text in MS Word. Next one is how to give the space between text. Insert a space. Position your cursor where you want to insert a space. कर्सर को वहाँ प्लेस करना है जहाँ हमें स्पेस देना है. See, suppose we want to give the space after now. So, just click once. After now, cursor will be there. Then press the space bar. See children, in this keyboard, this one space bar. This is a longest key of the keyboard. For insert a space, you have to press this space bar. Press the space bar key to insert a space. You can press the space bar key more than once to insert multiple space. Okay. So place the cursor where you want to give the space, then press space bar. Okay, and if you want to remove this space, so you can press the backspace key. Okay, how to create a paragraph? Position the cursor after the text from where you want to start a new paragraph. जहाँ से हमें न्यू पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट करना है वहाँ कर्सर को प्लेस करेंगे. सपोज वी वांट टू स्टार्ट न्यू पैराग्राफ आफ्टर now. So place the cursor after now, then press enter key. See, new paragraph is created. So if you want to continue the typing, so place the cursor after last alphabet, then space. After that you can continue your typing. Okay, full stop, then write this text is selected. Now if you want to change the line or paragraph, then press enter key. Cursor will move in the next line. Then from this line also you can start typing. Now next one is how to select the text. Before editing or formatting the text, it should be selected. टेक्स्ट में अगर हमें कोई भी एडिटिंग करनी होती है उसके पहले हमें टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करना होता है. When the text is selected, it gets highlighted. You can select the text with the help of a mouse or a keyboard. First we will learn how to select the text from the mouse. Place the cursor before that text which you want to select, then left click. Place the cursor before the text, then press left click, then drag the mouse pointer. When text is selected, then release the mouse pointer. You can see, children, text is selected. To unselect the text, click once on any blank area. Text will be unselected. How to select the text? Place the cursor before the text, then click once left button, then drag the mouse pointer, then release the left click. Text will be selected. How to unselect the text? To unselect the text, click once on any blank area. Text will be unselected. Children, there are some other method to select a text. First, I have explained from the mouse. Second one, if you want to select a word, अगर आपको सिर्फ एक वर्ड सेलेक्ट करना है, so how to select a word? Just double click a word. जिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है उस पर हमें डबल क्लिक करना है. See, place the cursor over there, then double click. Particular word will be select. Once again, place the cursor on the word which you want to select, then double click. that particular word will be selected. Now, second method, if you want to select a sentence, अगर आपको एक sentence select करना है, one method is place the cursor before that, just click once and drag the mouse. And second method is press and hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Control key you have to press from your keyboard. Press and hold the control key and click on the sentence. See, full sentence will be selected. How to do? Press and hold the control key and click anywhere sentence. Okay. Now next, if you want to select a block of text, so अगर पूरा एक ब्लॉक सेलेक्ट करना हो कैसे करेंगे? क्लिक एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, टेक्स्ट के बिगनिंग पर क्लिक करेंगे, देन प्रेस एंड होल्ड द शिफ्ट की, प्रेस एंड होल्ड द शिफ्ट की एंड क्लिक एट द एंड ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, जहां तक सेलेक्ट करना है एंड पॉइंट पर क्लिक करेंगे. सी, entire text will be select. Let's do once again. If you want to deselect, just press anywhere then click. Okay, let's do once again. First you have to place the cursor or click from the starting, then press shift key, then click at last, full block will be select. To deselect, just click any blank area. Okay. Now, next one, if you want to select a paragraph, you can see here there is only one paragraph. If you have a one or more paragraph or you want to select a particular paragraph, so what you will do? Triple click anywhere in the paragraph to select a paragraph. Paragraph पर कहीं भी triple click करना है. Triple click means you have to press left button 3 times quickly. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Text will be select. To deselect, click anywhere. Let's do once again. Triple click anywhere in the paragraph. 1, 2, 3. Paragraph will be select. Children, next one is these commands. You can see here copy, COP by copy command. If you want to copy the text, so you can use copy command. Shortcut key is CTRL, Control plus C. How to type the shortcut? Press the Control key from the keyboard and hold it. Then press C. Okay. Next one is paste. Shortcut is Control plus V. Cut, Control plus X. For undo, Control plus Z. For redo, Control plus Y. You can see there is some text. So sometimes you want the same text at more than one place or want to shift some text from one place to another in the same or another document. This can be done by copying or moving the text. See, how to copy the text? I have explained you how to select the text. For copy the text, first you have to select it. Place the cursor in front of text, click once and drag the mouse. Okay, then release the mouse button. Text is selected. Then you can press Ctrl plus C from the keyboard, or you can see here this one, copy option, COPY. Click once. Okay, then place the cursor where you want to paste the text. कर्सर को वहाँ प्लेस करना है जहाँ हमें टेक्स्ट को कॉपी करना है या पेस्ट करना है. ओके, व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू पेस्ट? Control plus V, or another way is there is a paste option. See children, जहाँ कर्सर ब्लिंक होगा वहीं पर हमारा टेक्स्ट पेस्ट होगा. Click on paste button. See, you can see here selected text is copy. If you want to copy again, place the cursor, again click paste. Text will be copied. Understood? Okay. Next one is cut or paste. This option remove the selected part, then paste it somewhere. Next is cut and paste. The cut and copy operations are similar, except that the cut operation removes the text from the original location. Copy और cut में क्या difference होता है? Cut option में selected part original location से remove हो जाता है और copy option में उसकी copy होती है. Okay? For example, select second one line, then cut. You can press Ctrl plus X from the keyboard, or there is cut option. Click on that. You can see selected line, remove, then place the cursor where you want to paste the text, then click on paste button or press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. See, the text is moved to the new location. Okay. Now, next option is undo and redo. Undo and redo are two of the most useful buttons. The undo button is used to reverse the last action performed. The redo is reverse of the undo. It replies the last action reversed by the undo. To use undo and redo buttons, see this step. Type something, type some text, then you can see on the top, this one is, what is the name of this one shortcut? Undo. And shortcut key for undo, Ctrl plus Z. Click on that. See, when you click the undo button on the quick access toolbar, the text is disappear. If we want to get the text back, so click the redo button. See on the quick access toolbar, this is redo button. When you click on the redo button, so the text appears. Okay, let's do the revision. Type the text, then click undo button. Text will disappears. If you want to get the text back, just click on redo button. See, text will come. Okay, this way you can use undo and redo buttons. So we have learned how to copy the text, how to paste the text, how to cut and paste the text, how to use undo and redo buttons.